railroad workers need to know that they are protected if they file an accident report or seek medical attention after an accident. Witnesses or co-workers need to know that they are totally protected if they give witness statements. And finally, anyone that reports safety concerns to company officials are protected from harassment. And I want to talk to you about what the law is and how you make sure that these protections work for you. Number one, if you are injured and you turn in an accident report, do not be afraid, because if the carrier or any official takes any adverse action against you for doing so, that can be a violation of the Whistleblower Act or Federal Rail Safety Act. You have up to 180 days to file a complaint with OSHA, and if you do, you can collect not only wages, not only reinstate any discipline if the company tries to discipline you, reinstate your position from discipline, but you can also collect damages for, in addition to lost wages, for mental anguish and even punitive damages against the company if they do this. But you've got a short statute of limitations on it, so you got to watch that and consult with an attorney to know what your rights are. In addition, if you're a witness to an accident, there's a part of the FELA that says that it's called Section 60 of the FELA that says that if any carrier or official attempts to discipline, harass an individual for being a witness, that there's up to $1,000 fine or a year in prison for such behavior. That's in addition to any whistleblower rights if the individual gives a statement is harassed. So those are two different protections for witnesses. Third, if someone's seeking medical attention and then tries to follow the directions of a doctor, a written medical plan. For instance, if you have a medical condition, a knee injury, and you go back to work and your doctor says you may need to take time off from time to time, if the company won't let you follow your doctor's directions, you may have a whistleblower complaint about that. Now, you want to make sure your doctor's directions are clear and in writing, and you point that out to the company, but if they try to harass you, you may have a claim even for that. So these are very important protections that are out there for railroad workers. Accidents should be reported and must be reported. And in fact, newer rules that the company has makes it clear that if you don't report an accident, they can come after you for that. They've always had that, but it's important that workers stick together, report safety violations, and most importantly, tell the truth if accidents do occur. The only strength in unions is the strength of each other. A union's like a chain. The union's only as strong, and the rights of union workers are only as strong as their weakest link. Don't be the weak link. Don't be the one who's afraid to stick up for your rights or the rights of others. You do have protections. You will be protected if you fight, but if you don't fight and you allow that chain to be broken, your rights and the rights of others will be broken also.